like a long time ago. Just listening to it was therapy. Just like an escape from everything. That's as long as I can remember. I always used to get lost in music. 999 represents taking whatever hell you're going through and turning it into something positive. Whatever you want to do in life, find something that you don't mind doing for the rest of your life. Find something that you like. And even if it seems like it's impossible, it's very, very possible. So don't get nervous. You're not alone.